Well, hello all you beautiful people. Alright guys, I'm busy looking back at my analytics and I don't know what to say. I am impressed. The video I uploaded 24 hours ago got 65 views. Now some people will be like, that's not a lot. For me that's a lot, because I only got 49 subscribers. I'm one away from my 50 subscriber goal. So this video is going to be about my journey of YouTube so far. So stay tuned. My first video that I uploaded in my entire life was called Chatterlet Gay Guy Prank. It was on Chatterlet where I pretended to be gay and we got this amazing reaction from this one guy. So I uploaded that in December of 2013 and we got 1,600 views within 1 month. And at that time for me that was a lot. If I get that amount of views now I would go crazy because that's a lot. And then I decided to make a new channel called Ruben Monster, because my previous channel was called Comedy TV. So that limited me to comedy, because my channel is called Comedy TV. So then I started my new channel, which is the one I'm using now, called Ruben Monster. And then I re-uploaded the Chatterlet Gay Guy Prank, which is my first video on this channel. It was uploaded on July 3rd, 2014. And then I uploaded some more videos. 4 days later I uploaded the Justin Bieber and Beagle prank. That was like one of my biggest success so far. It got 667 views. And then I started to realize people started liking those pranks. And everyone was requesting for me to do more. And then one day ago I decided to upload a new Justin Bieber one. Which brings me to my second point. I uploaded Selfie with Justin Bieber. It got within 24 hours, it got 65 views. And some people might be thinking, 65 views, that's nothing. For me, that's a lot, because I only got 49 subscribers. That's one subscriber away from my goal of 50. So thank you very much guys for everyone that is viewing my channel and viewing my videos, giving my videos thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. It's 100% free to subscribe. Daily entertainment guys, I upload videos every single day. Don't forget guys to thumbs up this video, share it with your friends, share it with your parents, your brother, your sister, your aunt, your cousin, anything. Share it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I need one more subscriber to reach my 50 subscriber goal. And don't forget guys, my new website is up and running, rubenmonster.co.za. Links in the description below. Thank you guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy.